Don't think,
Don't think too much.
don't think, language.
Basta always...
If you want to talk me, I can understand. But, pag I not understand, I ask something to, okay, action mo.
Action,
Okay lang.
Always
I
positive.
try so hard, because English, English is, I want to learn din more English because when I'm, like you, talking, so I can talk English now. Diba? Now, I can talk more English. Later, dati, sa looban, can't understand you all. So much, so much. Gaya-gaya lang ako sa inyo. Pero now, I understand. Now, I speak na. I'm proud to myself. May developing in English. Speaking English is now. Wow. Kaya English speaking. Baka na, Joe. Thankful tayo kay Kuya. Kay God, sa mga tambay. Una nga sa mga tambay, kay God. Kay Kuya. Kasi Kuya, like, father, mother. His house.
Father and mother.
He love us. Hindi lang ako, ikaw, all of us. All of us, anak niya. Na alagaan, na mahal, hindi na pabayaan. Ayaw niyo pa yung magkasakit ka, magkasik, fever, anything kind of sick. Me, ito, anything. One Kuya na malusog tayo, healthy, big katawan, body.
Umot ta, sabay ta. Always. Para
Sabay tayo, always.
pogi-pogi.
Yun. Tapos, big body. Kuya labas. Kuya, always watching us. You're good or anong nangyayari kay CJ. Kaya, I love Kuya so much. Don't forget, Kuya. In my life, kahit I'm dead na, Kuya, you're the best. Wala man po akong kuyang mama at papa. But this po, ikaw po yung mama at papa ko. Masaya na po.
So, now, I don't know, next week, people is leaving this house. But, it's okay for me. I'm not committed again. Labas. It's okay for me, look here. But, people is texting both, and I'm appreciative with them. So, for them, also, for Kuya, for housemate, do my best. Basta, and also enjoy. Enjoy.
And don't be changed. Me, I know, nag-change ako.
Ako din.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Basta, ayoko na lang magsalita. Sa isip. Like I said, don't speak, just do it and think. That's nga lang my technique. That my old techniques. Don't think, more technique. Diskarte. Like me, I'm diskarte. I'm full of diskarte. Yes, alam yung diskarte? Yun ang diskarte?
Diskarte? What is diskarte?
Technique, like a technique.
Like technique.
Anything, kind of, I do my best to become a
winner.
Hindi, no. To become
Kasi,
to become a good person.
Yes,
Good person.
The personality,
More learning. I know.
The personality.
I know. I'm a person na hard to pick up or to learn. Sometimes, always. I know that. Pero I try. So very much, I try. Dati, mahina ako sa loob. Mahina loob ko. Kasi, hindi ko na kaya. I want to change that. Dati, hindi ako ganyan sa Marinduque. Hindi kaya ko yan. Pero no, dito, humina ako ganun, pero babalikin, kakayahan ko na yun. Basta ayoko na lang magsalita. I don't want to, just do it.
Just do it.
Think and do it.
Think and do it.
More technique. More possibility na That's my technique. German technique. Hindi man. German technique. Japanese technique. Don't be lungkot.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Quitting will be happy as, and quitting pray as.
Yes. Tara. Go na. Salamat ha.
Problemo.
Yun. Chiboy.
Dito, ulit si Kabul.
Chiboy. Salamat.
Eat it!
Tapos na ako. Busog.
Wala.
Enjoy.
Don't take anything out. Yapi. Gwapo siya. You know, gwapo siya. Always happy. Joking to other. It's okay. Memory agree. Basta joking.
Enjoy.
Joking.
Salamat ha. Tulog.
Oo!
Nigaw na ko. Si Waiting. Minsan ako. Sobrang mabait. Tapos sobrang pasipag. Dalawa ta. White. White girls. The morning. And cleaning. Sabay ta. Wash dishes. Sabay ta.
Saing. Cook rice.
Yeah.
So, Lucky Charm. I always wear them. I always kiss. This one is gave to me special. Someone who gave me. I don't know, but my name galing sa charity.
Charity. Okay. When?
Maris ang pangalan ng name Maris.
When?
Christmas.
When? This year? Last year?
Yeah.
Last year? Nagpili ka?
Maris ba ang pangalan ng name? Basta special sa Special siya. And I go out, number one person that I find, hanap to say, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for anything. I want to thanks to your bracelet, effort, and take care. Diba? So, sarap sa feelings na may someone na
Tara, go na.
Po! Opo, kuya. Sa storage room daw.